This whole pizza is only 200 calories and the crust is made from just 2 ingredients.
Fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
One slice is only 35 calories, but most importantly, the taste is absolutely amazing. To make the crust, you will need to mix egg whites with coconut flour. The exact quantities are in the description. I used paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Heat up a non-stick frying pan, spray it with cooking spray, and use a ladle to spread the pizza dough as you would a pancake, but thicker, maybe about the thickness of your index finger. Cover and cook. After the bottom cooks, carefully using a spatula, flip it and cook for a few more minutes uncovered on the other side. The first attempt might not come out perfect, but you will quickly master it. After you make the pizza base, which takes no more than 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish, it's time to add the toppings and broil in a preheated oven. You can also finish it in an air fryer. I decided to finish my pizza with tomato sauce, mushrooms, ham, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, and a little bit of cheese. Oh yeah, and olives. Then just broil it in the oven to melt the cheese. The total calories came out to below 220 for the whole thing. If you like the recipe, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching.